Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question from the subject data structures asked in GATE 2007 for 2 marks. Coming to the question, a complete n-array tree. A complete n-array tree is a tree in which each node has n childrens or no childrens. What is complete n-array tree? As we know that what is mean by complete binary tree. Here binary means each node will have two children, because what is the meaning of binary? 2. Now if I say complete binary tree, each internal node will have exactly two children or no children, and all the levels are filled except possibly the last level. Means this is level 1, this is level 2. So level 1 is completely filled, level 2 not completely filled except possibly the last level, and that too filling the nodes from left to right. Then I can call this is a complete binary tree. And another example I will give you. This is an internal node will have exactly two children. This is an internal node also having exactly two children. If it having only one children, now I cannot call it complete binary tree according to the definition. And here we can call this is a complete binary tree. A complete binary tree in which each internal node will have exactly two children and all the levels are full except possibly the last level. Possibly the last level means last level may not be filled, but here even the last level also full. Because every level is full, it is also called full binary tree. Means a complete binary tree we can call a full binary tree. A full binary tree need not be a complete binary tree. In the first example, this is complete binary tree because not all the levels are full. We can say it is not full binary tree. Here what it is given, a complete n-array tree means each internal node will have maximum of n children or no children. That is given in the definition itself. Let I be the number of internal nodes. I is the number of internal nodes. Here I am writing number of internal nodes equal to I. And L be the number of leaf nodes. Now number of leaf nodes are equal to L. If L equal to 41 and I equal to 10, what is the value of N? Here, if I wanted to find the total number of nodes in any complete binary tree, total number of nodes in a complete binary tree. Here, how many internal nodes we have? 3 internal nodes. Each internal node will have how many children? 2 children. 3 into 2, 6 nodes. Plus, you can expect one node in the root node. Totally 7 nodes. You look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of nodes are equal to 7. Similarly here also. How many internal nodes? Here we do have 2 internal nodes. 1, 2. Because it is a binary tree, complete binary tree, each internal node will have how many children? 2 children. Plus 1 in the root node. So totally how many nodes? 5 nodes. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes. So the number of total nodes are equals to number of internal nodes. Here I am going to write the formula. Total number of nodes are equals to number of internal nodes into k-array tree. Here I have used 2 because I am considering as binary tree. But here it is given complete n-array tree. So the number of children of each internal node should be n. Now instead of k, what should I write? Here n plus 1 is the root node. Plus 1 is the root node. Now total number of nodes is always equals to internal nodes plus leaf nodes equals to internal nodes into n children for each internal node plus 1. And in the question it is clearly given number of internal nodes are 10 plus number of leaf nodes are 41. These are the total nodes, which is equals to internal nodes 10 into each internal node will contains n children plus 1 root node. When I am solving this equation, 51 equal to 10n plus 1. Now I can write in a simplified way. 10n equal to 51. If plus 1 comes to this side, if plus 1 comes to other side, this is going to minus 1. Means 51 minus 1, which is equals to 50. Then n equal to 50 by 10. So what is the value of n? N is 5. So means it is a complete 5 array tree. Now what is the value of n is a question. Now what is the value of n? N is a 5. It means what is a tree it is? It is a complete 5 array tree. It means each node, each internal node has 5 children. So the question is, what is the value of n? What is the value of n? I found 5. So answer for this question is option C. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.